All right, YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're gonna go over the 7 tips on how to lose stubborn belly fat effortlessly. If you are tired of the stubborn belly fat and you wanna finally get rid of it, then this video is going to be for you. So without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, now tip number 1 to losing stubborn belly fat is going to be to do intermittent fasting. This is one of my favorite ways to lose belly fat. It's super easy, super effective, and I've actually made a full step-by-step guide on how to do it. I'll link it in the corner above. But intermittent fasting is so beneficial and so helpful when it comes to losing stubborn belly fat, because you are gonna be in a time restrictive eating window, meaning you're gonna have less time to eat the same amount of calories that you normally do, which is typically a lot harder and why people actually lose a lot of fat doing intermittent fasting. So definitely check out intermittent fasting if you have issues with sticking to a particular diet, or you just like to eat whatever you want but still want to lose that stubborn belly fat. Definitely do intermittent fasting. It's one of my favorite ways to get lean as well. All right, now tip number 2 to losing stubborn belly fat is going to be to walk 10,000 steps a day. This is super effective when it comes to losing stubborn belly fat. Simply because you can literally walk anywhere, back and forth in your house if you don't want to go outside, or you can go outside for a nice long walk. On top of that, it's not like HIIT cardio where you're putting a lot of strain on your body, especially if you're just starting to work out. It's going to be really taxing on your body, and it might make you want to quit working out because it's so hard. And that's why walking is so effective, because it's not taxing on your body. You can do it every day. There's no need to recover from it. It's just super easy, and there's a lot of health benefits besides losing fat when it comes to walking, like mental health benefits, just getting outside, getting in the sun, fresh air, clearing your mind. So beneficial. So definitely look into walking 10,000 steps a day, or if you don't want to do that, then you can find another type of cardio that you enjoy, but definitely get your cardio in when you can. All right, now tip number 3, and this is probably the most important tip, is going to be get in a calorie deficit. I know you hear this term time and time after again, but it's the absolute truth, and it's the law of thermodynamics, okay? If I got into jail, right? Somebody put me in jail for helping too many people get in shape, right? And they didn't feed me food every single day, right? Let's say they skipped dinner and lunch and only gave me breakfast. I would lose weight because I'm not eating enough food. And it's vice versa. If you eat too much food, you gain weight, right? So definitely get in a calorie deficit. If you do not know how to get in a calorie deficit, then listen to this calculation right here I'm about to give you, okay? Take your body weight in pounds, okay, and multiply it by 15, and that's gonna give you your maintenance calories, okay? So let's say I'm 200 pounds, or you're 200 pounds. You want to take 200 times 15, it's going to give you 3,000 calories. Anything you eat under 3,000 calories, you're going to be in a calorie deficit. Now there is a lot of variables that go with that, but this is going to be a very good estimate. So as long as you're tracking your calories and you're eating below that number, you should see some results. And if you don't, then simply lower your calories. This is how you're going to get in a calorie deficit and lose that stubborn belly fat, guaranteed. All right, now tip number 4 to lose stubborn belly fat is going to be to not rush the process, okay? Do not rush the process when it comes to your health and fitness journey, simply because if you do rush the process, right, you're probably gonna be doing extreme amounts of cardio. You're probably gonna be doing extreme amounts of dieting, and it's gonna be really uncomfortable. It's not gonna be fun. You're gonna be putting yourself through a lot of pain, a lot of hassle. So do not put yourself something that you don't have to do. And if you do that, it's probably not gonna be sustainable, right? You're probably gonna lose a lot of weight, and a lot of people who do that gain it right back. So a good goal to lose weight, or a good goal to shoot for, is 1 to 2 pounds a week. You might lose more, you might lose less, but at least shoot for that range. If you do lose more, great, but do not force it, okay? Do not force it. Just simply instill the habits, right? And apply all of these tips, and you will soon and surely enough be losing that stubborn belly fat. All right, now tip number 5 is going to be to eat more protein, okay? Now, why is protein so important, and why is it so beneficial? So First off, eating a lot of protein is gonna fill you up a lot faster, right? When you're eating more protein, it takes longer to digest because it's more complex of a molecule. So eating more protein will help you keep more satiated, right? Eating 400 calories worth of protein versus 400 calories worth of carbs is very different. You can go through that way faster, but protein is typically gonna fill you up a lot quicker. So eating more protein is not only beneficial for you to eat less, but it's very good for you if you're also going on a diet, so you can maintain as much muscle as possible and also recover from your workouts as quickly as possible, or as best as possible, as I should say. So definitely eat more protein throughout the day, and try to incorporate it with every single meal, and add in protein shakes if needed. So that's gonna be tip number 5, is to eat more protein. All right, now tip number 6, okay, this is 6th tip, is going to be to find a workout routine, okay? Definitely get in a workout routine that you truly enjoy. Don't just do cardio, because if you do only cardio and you're not doing any type of strength training or getting stronger, you're gonna have the same physique, you're just gonna be skinnier, okay? Which is not what we want. We wanna lose the fat and add muscle. In order to do that, you're gonna have to do a strength training program. Now you can do this body weight, you can go to the gym, you can find something that you like to do. I would recommend just starting off with 2 times a week, 3 times a week. That's perfectly fine. Anyone who tells you need to work more than that, they're lying to you, okay? 2 to 3 times a week is perfect, especially if you're just getting started. It's more than enough. But if you want, you can do 4 to 5 times a week if you're more intermediate advanced. And 6 times a week, never would recommend. So just find something that you truly enjoy. Find a workout routine online, whether it be Instagram, YouTube. Find something you enjoy, and definitely incorporate it on your weight loss journey so you can add muscle and tone up instead of just losing fat and looking the same. All right, now the 7th and final tip to lose body or stubborn belly fat is going to be to get enough sleep, okay? Sleep is so important. I'm sure we all know that and how it feels to not get enough sleep, but when you're not getting enough sleep, you're gonna be increased cortisol levels, and it's also gonna decrease your testosterone. But pretty much when you have increased levels of the stress hormone cortisol, your body's gonna conserve more energy for fuel to keep you more alert during your waking hours. So yes, it's true, not getting enough sleep definitely can make it harder to lose that stubborn belly fat, and you should definitely prioritize your sleep for overall health benefits, not just for body composition, okay? So that's gonna be it for today's video. If you made it this far, I wanna give you a special offer, and it's gonna be my ebook that I created, which is called the 6 Steps to Lose Fat and Get Lean ebook, the complete step-by-step guide. If you wanna get in shape and you don't know where to go or where to start or how to apply all this information, this is exactly why I created the ebook. It's a step-by-step guide on how to do what you're trying to do with this video. So it's gonna be the first link in the description. When you purchase that, it supports me and it's gonna help you achieve your goals a lot faster as well. So definitely check it out. But like I said, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you made it this far, thank you for giving me your time and attention. These tips will definitely help you on your health and fitness journey. Make sure you hit that like button, comment any questions, concerns down below so I can reach out and help you. And then last but not least, subscribe to my channel. We are on the road to 1K. So yeah, thank you for watching. Peace.